Do you want to improve your drawing skills? If so, this is the perfect video for you. Today, we are going to do a fun drawing exercise. But before we do any actual drawing, I have a question. Which body part do you think is most important for drawing? If you said hands, that's a good answer. But I was thinking your eyes. If you want to draw something that you see, you need to look at it carefully. When you see something, the image goes into your eye, into your brain, out your arms, and out through your hand onto the paper. So before we start drawing, let's test how well your eyes work. Can you tell me what this is? This is a truck. Can you tell me what these are? These are scissors. Can you tell me what this is? This is a flower. And if I asked you to draw this flower, you might do something like this. I know how to draw a flower. Flowers have the middle part and they always have petals like this, and a stem and a leaf. Look, it's a flower. But when we look at this flower compared to my drawing of the flower, they don't look the same. That's because sometimes when we draw what we think something looks like, not what things actually look like. So if we look at this flower, we have to look carefully. This one has 2 leaves. The center part doesn't look like a circle. It has little green parts that almost look like balls and almost like a star. And the petals are small on the inside, but there are layers of them and they get bigger and bigger as the layers go down. So what we are going to do now is I'm going to have you practice drawing what you see. I'm going to draw something on the paper and I want you to follow what my lines look like. And remember our oils lesson from 2 weeks ago? If you didn't see that video, go watch it. So I want you to follow the lines that I make. First, we are going to make a really big circle that almost takes up the entire page. Then I want you to make a curve and a straight line. Then I want you to make a circle down here, another circle next to it, and then make a dot right here, and make a dot right here. Let's see how well you copied my drawing. When we turn it upside down, it looks like a silly face. Does your drawing look like my drawing? If it does, you did a good job copying my lines. It's time for the drawing exercise that you've been waiting for. Here I have a simple picture of a cat. And what we're going to do is instead of drawing what we see like this, we are going to turn the picture upside down. And when we look at this picture upside down, we are less likely to look at it like a cat, but we might look at it like lots of different lines. What we're going to do is to make it even easier is we are going to fold this picture in half and then fold this picture in half again so that we will have 4 quadrants. 1, 2, 3, 4 different quadrants. And instead of drawing it with the face up like this, I'm going to draw it upside down like this. And what helps is if I number the quadrants 1, 2, 3, and 4. That way I can tell which lines go in which section. Then I will take another piece of paper, fold it in half, and fold it in half again. And label the sections with the same numbers as the original drawing. And I forgot to tell you that this cat picture is available as a free download. The link is in the description box below. So before we start drawing, we have to look carefully. We have to see what kinds of lines there are. I see curves and a curve and another curve and a dot. So we are going to try to draw these same lines on this paper. First, we'll draw what's in quadrant 1. I see a curve here that goes like this, and a curve here. Then we'll go to quadrant 2. Then we will go to quadrant 3. There's a curve here, and a curve that goes across the fold. And a circle. Actually, it's not a circle, because it's a dot because it's filled in. Now let's see how well we did. I'll turn my drawing and the picture upside down, and I have something that looks very similar. This is a really good activity because it helps you practice looking at lines and drawing what you see. And in the beginning, they might not look exactly the same, but practice makes progress. Just keep trying. And that's our drawing lesson for today. It's called Upside Down Drawing. It's a way to practice drawing what you actually see. If you liked this video, I have an arts and crafts playlist with some more art projects that you might like. The link is in the description box below. And remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more arts and crafts videos. Bye!